Hey guys, welcome back. So my Vol collection series continues. Today I used Dark Magic. This is the gorgeous palette that I used today to achieve this makeup look. And as I did in my previous videos, I'm not gonna say much in the intro because I really want you to see how they perform on my eyes. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. Today I'm going to try Dark Magic, and honestly the only eyeshadow that really inspires me from this palette is Trickery, is this green, shimmery green shade. And what can I say, I'm not a fan of cool toned shadows, so let's see what makeup look I'm going to create. I know that I want to try Potion because a lot of people had issues with this eyeshadow. Also I want to try like these three, I really want to try them. And I think I'm going to try this one and this one. So yeah, let's do this. As you can see, I already primed my lid and this concealer is creasing. I think I'm going to start with Potion and let's see how this alone performs on top of my sticky base because I'm curious. And I'm going to start with a fluffy brush. Again, I'm using a Kiko brush. This is a little bit older, but it's a Kiko brush and it's clean. So yeah, I'm going to start with Potion and let's hope for the best. Ooh, that's dark. If you hear some noises, I have the Roomba in my other room, so yep. So far I don't like how this color performs. I mean, I don't like the color. Alright, so the more I blend this, the more it disappears. And as you can see right here, it doesn't want to blend right here. I'm going to use a smaller brush to see if I can make this work right here. But so far I'm not a fan of this shade. Like, the color is not my thing. So I'm still working a Potion. And I think I'm going to move on. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't want to blend very nice. I don't know. It looks kind of harsh in my opinion. On the same brush, I'm going to take Busted. Okay, this blue shade is so pretty. I should have started with this one. Let's see if I can blend that because I don't like how that looks. So I'm going to clean my brush and without any product on my brush, I'm going to clean this because I don't like how this looks. But as you can see, it doesn't want to blend that well. I'm going with a little bit more of Busted. Okay, I think that looks pretty blended. Next I'm going to take Inside Job. And this is like a dark green. Let's see how this works. This feels more powdery. And also the blue shade, it kind of disappeared. But I feel like this green shade, Inside Job, is working a little bit better with the blending. I think I'm going to go with a little bit more of Potion. So next I'm going to take a little bit of Temptress, and this is a black shadow with a little bit of shimmer. And let's see. Ooh, that's black. Next I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to be right back. This was super easy and quick. Okay, I'm going to take just a little bit more of potion, because this shade disappears so fast, but overall it's not that bad. So yeah, next I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to be right back. With the same brush that I applied my concealer, I'm going to take Trickery. And I'm going to apply it right here. Wow. That is so black. On my finger it looks so nice, but on my eye I barely see that green reflect. This looks more like a very dark green, and I don't like that. Anyway, next I'm going to take Power Cut, and let's see how this applies. Oh, that's so pretty. I hope at least this will work. This feels so buttery and I really like it. Alright, so I'm going to try again with Trickery, because I really want this to work. Like, already on the brush this looks very dark. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this green one. Such a beautiful color in the pan, but as you can see, it doesn't show that beautiful on my eye. I mean, I don't know. Alright, I'm going to leave it like this, and I think I'm going to take a little bit more of inside job. I'm going to apply it right here. Overall, this came out beautiful. I'm so disappointed on this green shade. I mean, I don't know how much you can see this on camera, but look on my finger, this is absolutely gorgeous. And to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. Ooh. Okay, poof. Okay, next I'm going to take a little bit more of potion and blend it right here. On my bottom lash line, I'm going to use Trickery again, because I really want to make this color work. I think this is such a beautiful, beautiful green color. So as you can see, I already did my left eye, and I think this looks so beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to use Trickery. Also, I'm going to apply this on my waterline. I really hope you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to blend that with this pencil brush. Next, I'm going to mix a little bit of busted and inside job. I'm going with a little bit more of Trickery. Okay, I think Trickery looks so beautiful under my eye. Now I can see a little bit of the shimmers, And as you can see, I don't have a brow bone highlight or an inner corner highlight, so I don't want to use again this eyeshadow for my inner corners. I think I'm going to use Coin from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So yeah, I'm going to use Coin, and this is such a beautiful, beautiful shade. Also this one, oh, gorgeous. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Alright, so off camera I'm going to apply my lashes and I'm going to be back with my final thoughts. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on the Dark Magic palette. Overall, this is good. This performed exactly as Bling Boss. I think the mattes are exactly the same, like the formula and the pigmentation and how they blend. The only eyeshadow that I didn't really liked is the first one that I used on my crease. This is Potion, and overall I think this is a good palette, and I'm talking only about the shades that I used today. So as I said, this was the only one that blended kind of funky, and also the pigmentation faded away as I was blending this. Seems like the shimmery shadows formula is exactly the same in all the palettes that I used so far. And yeah, this Dark Magic and also Bling Boss, so far they are a little bit better, but as I said, they are not perfect. I mean, the mattes, yeah, I really love how this makeup turned out, and I noticed that this eye is a little bit watery, and that already messed with that shimmery shade, so I guess I have to retouch that because I still have to take some pictures. Oh, look at that. That is so bad. That never happened to me before. Like, look at that. So this is solely my fault. I mean, my eye is watery. Let's try to fix this, but why is this happening? Okay, that works. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Camera, don't be shady. Thank you. Okay.